Talofa, my name is Charlene and I'm one of the designers from MENA. We're from Samoa via Auckland. Our experience at the first Utah Pacific Fashion Show was an extremely positive one. We think for the inaugural, it was an amazing show. So many volunteers and so many people. It was amazing to see such a community come together and to produce such a fabulous event. It was buzzy, it was vibrant, everybody's so welcoming. We got so much positive feedback, and I think it was just so lovely to see how much everybody enjoyed this show. So as a designer, we would love to come back to Utah.
Bulivinaka, my name is Epeli Timbenga and I'm a fashion designer from Fiji. I own the brand label Kuiviti. And you can find me on Instagram at Kuiviti_Pacific or just Kuiviti on Facebook. I took part in the Utah Pacific Fashion Show, and I thought it was a really, really cool event. It's nothing I've ever taken part in before. I had just finished Fiji Fashion Week and was the last one to get asked about 3 weeks ago to take part in the show. And I thought the logistics and everything was just done well. Backstage was so smooth, and the setup of the front of house looked so amazing with the flowers upon arrival. Then you enter, and then the seating arrangements. I believe everyone found their seats perfectly. The flow of the show was nice. All the models were absolutely lovely. They were so much fun to work with. Everyone had the same energy. Everyone had the same bubbly personality. Everyone just wanted all the designers to win and to represent and to showcase their outfits to the fullest that they could showcase. So that was really nice of the models. There is nothing that I saw that needed improving. From the night market to the meet and greet, everything was just amazing. It was a full experience. Instead of just coming and relaxing and doing a show on Saturday, it was very engaging, especially with us, me as an outsider coming into Utah, to really mingle with the people and the Pacific in Utah as well. The Pacific Island is in Utah, so I really, really liked that there was a full-on program for the week. And yeah, I think as Pacific Islanders, alone we are strong, but together we make noise. And it was so amazing for us as Pacific Islanders to come together with one united voice, and that was to support the business of our people, support our own talents, our own creativity, and also the representation, the preserving of culture, and the preserving of all the stuff that our ancestors believed in, but trickled down. And here we are on a very international stage, I must say, and just continuing to tell that story that our ancestors told about our culture and history.